Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Begin by going into Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. Then launch it and set the app by tapping on the same options in both. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue and allow. In this pop-up, choose wherever you want to and then tap on your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Google Pixel. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a few just for example. Then you can click Send next to Selected at the bottom to continue. Over here. And tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Finally, pick one of those connection ways. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then choose Receive button. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above User Guide, close an ad, allow camera access, and point it at the code. Wherever you decided, just wait. Close an ad. And as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!